Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Beauty and the Beast. Welcome back here, and today I got a couple things going on. First off, a couple days ago, Kyle and I installed some engine mounts, and I got my new wheels installed. Some OZ Leggera HLTs, 18 by 8.5, or sorry, 18 by 8 all around. So we got it all installed the other day, and made a montage for you guys. So here, check that out now.
Okay, here is Jacob's car, 2012 Golf R. We're gonna see how much the engine shakes with the stock mounts there. Stock mounts underneath the battery, you can't see it. Definitely feels like a plane.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Alright, so my opinions on it, big difference. I can actually feel the power of the car now in first gear. It's quite surprising. I highly suggest it to anyone who has a Mk6. Some nice light wheels and a set of engine mounts, transmission mounts, and subframe mount, and you'll be feeling pretty good, I think. So today we got something a little bit different, kind of simple here. So today, actually, what I'm going to do is I picked up a set of LED lights off of Amazon, and the plan is to get rid of that ugly yellow glow. I ain't about that life, you know? New technology, LEDs. You need LEDs. LEDs just look so much better. So yeah, let's make a video and follow along. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. We'll help you out. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Beauty and the Beast. Lights are in and they look great. I am very happy with them, especially for only 14 bucks. You know, came with everything, footwells, visors, trunk. Can't complain. Alright, well, like I said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got a few more videos coming out pretty soon. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take it easy.